Imagine waking up just 30 days from now and realizing you're stronger, happier, healthier, and more confident than you've been in years. Sounds impossible? Here's the shocking truth. Your life doesn't change because of one big decision. It changes because of hundreds of tiny choices you make every single day. And before this video ends, you'll have a simple 30-day plan that could completely change your future. Stay with me, because day one might surprise you. Most people believe they need more money, more motivation, or the perfect opportunity before they can change. But that's exactly why most people stay stuck. The biggest transformation doesn't begin when your circumstances change. It begins when your habits change. Think about it. If you improve just 1% every day for 30 days, you're no longer the same person who started. Today, I'm going to show you exactly how to make those 30 days count. Step 1. Stop living on autopilot. Here's a question. When was the last time you intentionally chose how your day would go? Most people wake up, grab their phone, scroll through social media, rush through the day, and wonder why nothing changes. Imagine two people. One spends the first hour feeding their mind. The other spends it feeding the algorithm. 30 days later, who do you think has grown more? Tomorrow morning, before touching your phone, spend just 10 quiet minutes thinking about the kind of person you want to become. That tiny decision changes everything. But this is only the beginning, because the next habit multiplies every other habit you build. Step 2. Build small wins. Most people fail because they try to change everything overnight. They promise to exercise 2 hours, read 5 books, wake up at 4 a.m., and after 3 days, they quit. Instead, make success impossible to avoid. Do 1 push-up, read 1 page, drink 1 extra glass of water, save $5. It sounds too easy. That's exactly why it works. Success loves consistency more than intensity. Small victories build confidence. Confidence builds momentum. Momentum changes lives. Step 3. Remove what is holding you back. Here's something most people never hear. Adding good habits isn't enough. You must remove the bad ones too. Imagine trying to fill a bucket while there's a hole in the bottom. That's what distractions do. Endless scrolling, negative people, constant excuses. Ask yourself one question. What is stealing my future every single day? Now remove just one thing for the next 30 days. You'll be amazed how much energy returns. But there's one habit that's even more powerful than discipline, and almost nobody uses it. Step 4. Change your identity. Most people say, I want to be successful. Successful people say, I am becoming someone who succeeds. That's a huge difference. Every action casts a vote for the person you're becoming. Every workout says, I'm healthy. Every book says, I'm a learner. Every dollar invested says, I'm building wealth. Stop asking, what should I do? Start asking, what would the future version of me do? Then do that, again and again. Step 5. Expect to fail sometimes. Here's the mistake that destroys most transformations. People miss one day, then convince themselves they've failed. But missing one workout doesn't make you unhealthy. Eating one unhealthy meal doesn't ruin your diet. One bad day doesn't erase 30 good ones. The goal isn't perfection. The goal is getting back on track faster. The people who change their lives aren't perfect. They simply refuse to quit. And now, the final lesson ties everything together. Step 6. Focus on who you'll become. Close your eyes for a moment. Picture yourself 30 days from today. You're waking up earlier. You have more energy. You're saving money. You're reading, learning, growing. You're proud of yourself. Now imagine doing nothing. 30 days pass anyway. The only difference is whether you changed with them. Time will move forward. The question is, will you? Changing your life isn't about finding the perfect plan. It's about making today's choices slightly better than yesterday's. 30 days won't make you perfect, but they can make you unstoppable. Because every great success story starts with one ordinary day, when someone decided, enough is enough. And maybe that day is today. If you're ready to change your life over the next 30 days, write day 1 in the comments. That small commitment can be the first step toward lasting change. If this video inspired you, give it a like and subscribe to Smart Toro Money Tips for more practical advice on self-growth, discipline, success, and building a better future. Remember this, your future isn't created in one dramatic moment. It's built by the small choices you make today. I'll see you in the next video.